this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'm here in the outdoor testing studio with a super cool new reflex sight to check out. This is from Toney. This is their new T30 sight. Let's take it out, talk about some of the features, and then we'll put it on the test vehicle and try it out. What do you say we open it up, see what's inside here? So this has a bunch of really cool features on it. It has 5 brightness levels. It has a 40mm reflex lens, which is going to allow you to acquire your sight really quickly. You have a choice of 4 different reticles. Comes with a user manual, a cloth, batteries, and the sight itself. Whew, that's slick looking. Check that thing out. Oh, look at this. How cool looking is this? All right, let me first get it up and running and see if I can't get you some shots with the cell phone through the reticle. It's hard to do, but I know you want to know what that looks like. And then we will install it on the Bug Assault and see what it looks like and how it works. I could tell already I like the way you choose the reticle. See that? There's a, right here on the, just an easy switch on the back. That is so cool. And it actually has these 2 little lines here. So you should be able to co-witness that with the right sights. Lots of advanced features in this. So, okay, let me get it up and running. Let's see if we can get you that reticle, and then we'll put it on the Bug Assault, see what it looks like. All right, so here we go. It's so hard to get this to work with the cell phone, but I think you can see that pretty good. It's a 3 MOA. All right, so there's the circle with the dot. Again, I'm trying to do this through my cell phone. It's hard to do, creates a little bit of glare and all that kind of stuff. But I think you can see how clear that is. That's super cool. Let's try one more. Ooh, there we go. Look at that one. I like that one. That's a cool one. All right, let's see what the final one is. There we go. There is the final reticle. These things are super clear, again, I love the adjuster here. You can't even see it, it's so dark. I love this adjuster where you just shift this for whichever one you want to use. I think that is super awesome. All right, let's go back to regular video and install this. Okay, so it's time to further customize the super tactical Bug Assault. Let me mount this up and let's see how it works. Oh, ho ho, that is so cool. This thing is wicked, and like I said, it's got that 40mm reflex sight, so it's so easy to pick up those flies if you're going to shoot down some flies in your yard. This is just awesome. Even from here, it is clear as day. I think this is really, really good. You could use it close or like at a distance. All works really good optically. Very clear. Let me try a couple different brightness settings just so I can speak to that. So yeah, whoo! It does have it has a big difference between the dim one, which is obviously a little easier to acquire, but then if you're out during a bright day and you need a really bright one, it is significantly brighter as you go up through the 5 settings. Yeah, this is definitely excellent right there, so you can see what it looks like. Right there like that. How cool is that? I'm going to have to give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score for coolness. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.